working so hard on using your pictures and words to tell a story about our fire station field trip. You didn't just tell one part, you stretched it out and you told the whole story of our fire station field trip.
All of it. I didn't write the words.
Some of you just did pictures. Some of you did pictures and words. Some of you did pictures, words, and labels. And whatever you did, that's great. And we're going to keep working on that today if you didn't quite finish all of your pages. But today, I want to look at some other stories that we have in our bookshelf and figure out what we could add to our story to make it look like books that our authors and illustrators write that we see. Jonas, look this way. Let's see. This is a book called Fire Drill. It's been in our bookshelf. I see that on the inside it has pictures and words.
And labels. And labels.
It might have labels in it too. Just look at what's on the outside of that one. Then I see this one. On the inside it has words.
Pictures and something.
It does have pictures and words. I'm not seeing labels on this page, but it has pictures and words.
Pictures and words. That's it.
That's on the inside of the book. Here's a book that you helped us make. It has pictures and words in this book. But look at the front of all of these. They all have something on the front of them. Matt?
Cover.
A cover. You are right.
What
Just
does
your brain.
covers look like?
I was thinking. So we have the inside of our stories that we've been working on. We have the pictures, the words, and the labels. And we have those inside pages of our book. But to make it look like a story just like the authors and illustrators that we read about, Dominic, we want to add a cover to our book. Just like for our class books and these two other fire station books that we have. So I was so excited about this over the weekend. I was so excited about this over the weekend that I made my own cover. I used white paper. I used the whole white paper just like these authors did, and I colored a picture. I added a title, and I put my name on it because I'm the author of this story. So I named my book Our Fire Station Field Trip. I put a picture of the fire station, and then I put by Mrs. Schmidt, because that's who this story is by. Today you are going to get to make a cover to your book. So it looks like a story all put together with pictures and words on the inside and a cover on the outside. Now let's look at this. I see pictures and words on the front cover.
Yes.
And I did say the words. What is the name of a book? What is that word? Wesley, thanks for raising your hand. This one is Fire Drill. What do we call that on a book? The name of it. The name of the book. It's called a title. Say that word with me. Title. The title is what the book is called. So I'm going to write that on our board. We want to make sure that when we make our cover today, we have a title on our book. What else do you see on the cover of all of these books? Jonas, what do you see? So we had words, the title. There is a number one. That's part of the picture. Picture. We want to make sure that there's a picture on our cover. And then all of these have the name of the author. So we want to make sure that our name is on, nope, our name is on our cover today. Let's check Mrs. Schmidt's and see if I had a title, a picture, and a name. Our Fire Station Field Trip. That's my title. That's what my story is called. Now I'm looking for a picture. Do you see a picture on my cover? Yes, there's the picture of the fire station. I did the sky, the road, the grass, the sidewalk. And did I put my name on this cover? Jonas, look. Mrs. Schmidt. Yes, I did. So what you're going to do today is make your own cover of your story.
No.
It does not have to look like mine. You get to do your very own, whatever you want your cover to look like. You get to make up your own title, your own picture, and it has to be your name on there. What could some pictures be on the cover of your book today?
Name.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Matt,
Name.
what could some pictures be today
Let's
on the
look.
book?
Walking to the police station.
It could be us walking to the police station. That's something that happened on our trip. Dylan?
It could be us. We went to a fire station to revive on fire.
So maybe the fire truck could be the picture on your cover today? Down at Calmani. Evie, what else could the picture be on our cover today?
I about the video that we watched in the downstairs.
So it could be the downstairs while we were watching the video. Yep, your cover is your choice. You get to choose what your picture is on there. You also get to choose what to call it. So I'm going to have you close your eyes. And I want you to think about what are you going to call your story and what picture are you going to draw? What are you going to call your story and what picture is going to be on your cover?
I'm done.
Put your eyes back on me when you're ready. Matt's sitting up. Finish up your thinking in 3,
I don't know what I'm
2, 1. I'd like you to find your turn and talk partner.
My turn in time.
He will be back in just a second, so you get your thoughts ready for him. Can you go with Evie right now?
Oh,
That would be great. Talk to your partner about what is going to be on the cover of your book. What are you going to call it, and what is the picture going to be? And what are you going to call it? Doesn't it have something to do with our story?
I have to go to Edie. No, I'm going to call it
Ethan? So what else can you call it?
I'm just confused. How come I see that we have Eve and our partner?
What do you think you're going to put on the cover of your book?
I had to be.
Ethan, if you're all done sharing, then put your body back forward so I know you're ready. Okay, that's not right. Now, what are you going to call your story? Ethan, can you show me this crest exercise just like everybody else in the book? If you have your idea of what your picture is going to look like, show me a thumbs up. If you have an idea on what you're going to call your story, show a thumbs up. If you don't have that idea yet, it's okay. We'll start with the picture, and after you draw your picture, you might come up with your idea.
What?
I have a quick question though. Could I draw on my cover, could I draw Goldilocks?
No.
Is that what my story was about?
No.
Is that what I wrote my story about? No. So it can't be about Goldilocks. Could I draw a police car on the front? No. Our story wasn't about a police car and going to the police station.
Well, you can-
Remember, we want our cover to be about what our story was about. So your job today is to make your cover putting on the picture, the title, and your name. First thing you're going to get is just a white piece of paper.
What?
After you're done, then you get to choose a colorful piece of paper to put it on. And that will be made the cover. Just like mine is red, you'll get to choose a color to glue yours onto. Ethan, did you hear that?
We glue on it?
We'll glue it on, and then Mrs. Schmidt will help you staple all your pages and the cover together.
Okay, thanks.
Show me a thumbs up if you know what your job is today.
Capiche?
I'm going to say the words, and then you're going to say it right after me. I can use pictures and words to make a cover for my story. I can use pictures and words to make a cover for my story. Very good. Thank you for saying that with me. I would like Evie Katie and Dominic and Ethan to join me at my